video series, and we already made the simple authentication using email and password. Now in this part we are going to implement the Facebook authentication. So before going to the code, let's do some changes in our Firebase and also do some changes in our Facebook. Okay, so for that, here in the authentication section, go to sign in method and enable Facebook. So after enable it, it wants app ID and app secret ID. So for that, we need to go to Facebook and create an application. So go to Facebook developers website, like developer.facebook.facebook.com and log in with your Facebook ID, any ID you want, and click on My Apps and click on Create App. Here just give any name you want. For me, I am giving it Facebook Authentication and create app ID. Okay, it says that Facebook or Face anything like that we cannot use this, so as this is copyrighted thing, I think so. Okay, create app ID and click on I'm not a robot. Okay, and click on submit. So it will create an app for you and give you the ID. Okay, once you create the app, you can see that here is your app ID. Copy that and go to Firebase and paste the app ID here. Also, you need app secret, and for that you need to go to Facebook login, click on setup. Sorry, no need for that. Click on settings, and here you can see that basic, and here is your app secret. Click on show, so it will want you the password, so type the password and it give you the app secret, and paste the app secret here. We don't complete it as we need to completely configure Firebase with Facebook, so we need another step to go. For that, go to this URL here, developers.facebook.com doc Facebook login and Android. Click on this part. Otherwise you can do that by using go to dashboard, and from here here you can see that product section, you get Facebook login. By default I think you cannot see that, you need to add it from the add a product section. From here you can get that thing, so I already have it here. So click on settings and you can see that all the things are here. You see everything here. Okay, now here you have to paste this auth URL. Copy this auth URL and come back to Facebook app, and here valid OAuth redirect URLs, paste it here and click on login from device. Enable the auth client. Sorry, don't need for that. Okay, now click on save changes. So we enable Firebase with our app, but it's still not working because we need to start some setup. Okay, quick start. Click on quick start and click on Android, as we are going for make Android application. And here it shows us download SDK. We already add it to our Gradle file in the last video. So click on next and it will give you the SDK. We don't need that as we already do that. So click on next, and here it says that package name. Okay, so our package name is, this one is our package name. Copy this and paste it here, and the default activity class where we are going to use of authentication thing. So this is also in our main activity, so dot main activity. So this can be replaced by your class name, which class you are going to enable Facebook authentication. So click on save, and it will give you a pop-up that this application is not enabled in Play Store, so use this package name. When it comes in Play Store, it will find it easily. Okay, so click on continue, and now the tricky part is here. You need to add the hash key. Okay, what is hash key? So this is a 28 character string that is unique to your application. Okay, so this application can identify this application can identify your application by using this hash key. So if this hash key is not matched, then authentication cannot be done. So how do you get that? So there are so many ways to get it, and also I find some way which is really easy. Don't need for this key tools and blah blah blah, which basically cannot be easy for beginners, right? So I will show you the easiest way by using your application. We write some codes which help us to find out our hash key. Okay, one more thing I need to tell you, that this hash key is development purpose hash key. So whenever you are publishing your application to the Play Store, you need to add the actual hash key, which is your signature key, to the Facebook page. Okay, so I will show you that thing in a later part of video, but right now we are going to do like that. Okay, so package info equals get package manager dot get package info. Here paste your package ID. Okay, this is our package name, package ID, anything, and then we need to pass package manager dot get signatures. Okay, so this says that you need to handle the exception. So just click on alt and press enter, and click on surround with try and catch. Okay, now click on for. Okay, now write this code. This needs to handle. Okay, so click on alt and press enter, and click on add. The first one is perfect. Okay, so it can be added to that position in the catch section. Okay, dot update signature dot to byte array, and here we need to do a log d basic 64.encoder to string md dot digits and 64 dot default. Perfect. So this is our hash key. This one is our hash key. So once you've done this application, this coding, okay, let's run this application and see our hash code. You don't need to add this code when you publishing your application to the Play Store. You just need it for the development purpose. Okay, so let's go to the logcat, and in the logcat we will find the hash key. Okay, the application is installing. Whoa, we get it. So this is our hash key. Just copy this and go to Facebook and paste it here. So easy. Click on save and click on continue. In the next part it says that enable single sign-in. Yes, obviously. Click on save and click on next. Now copy this XML code and go to your projects string folder. It is comes here and add it here. So this is your app ID and this is protocol scheme, which is unique to your application ID, and add the internet permission to your manifest. Here it is. We added that, and the next thing is the metadata and Facebook activity. So just copy this code and go to your manifest, and under the application tag, okay, this is the application tag, under the application tag paste it. Okay, this thing is done too. Click on next. Okay, we all done here, and the next things are not necessary as we already built up the thing. Other thing is done by coding. These things cannot be copied as this is only for Facebook login, but we are using Facebook authentication for Firebase, so we will do some other coding. Okay, click on dashboard and we are done here. Okay, come back to main activity, and here it is our function. When we click on that, we need to fire up the Facebook page. Okay, before going to Facebook authentication, let's initialize the Facebook application, and also we need a variable for callback. Callback manager, it is Facebook callback manager. Okay, and in the on create, initialize the Facebook SDK. So Facebook SDK dot Facebook SDK dot SDK initialized and get application context. That's it. In this way we are initializing the SDK, and the next thing is initializing the callback function. So here we are going to go do that. Callback manager equals to callback manager dot factory dot create. Perfect. Now we do the coding here. So manager instance dot login with read permission and pass the callback function, callback manager, and then click on new. Okay, let's hide this thing. New Facebook callback, Facebook callback, and sorry, I'm doing something wrong. At first we need to pass the thing which we need to get, like email and public profile. So for that, then pass the activity, and then we need to pass an array. And public profile. Perfect. Up to that, we can call the callback thing. So login manager dot get instance dot register callback, pass the callback, and then new Facebook callback. Whoa, it's working. Oh, what? Okay. Now if the user cancels the thing, then we show a toast here that you Facebook authentication cancel. And if the error comes, then we also show a toast that what type of error is coming. So okay, error dot get message. Perfect. In the on success, we are going to call the handler, like we are calling here a function for authentication. And this also contain the login result dot get access token. Create this method in the main activity, and we need the on activity result for handling this. So on activity result, and here in callback manager dot on activity result, pass the request code and result code and data. Okay, fine. Now here we perfect, right? Now we check that if task is successful or not. If not, we show the error. And if the task is successful, then user now here's the part. Now we are going to get the user password, sorry, user image, okay, as a string format, like which image you are using as your Facebook profile. That image we are going to store in our Firebase. So one more thing, string user Facebook ID equals user dot get UID. Okay, and for the string of the image, that is going to be like that. Here pass the Facebook user ID and okay, and one more thing is user name, which we get by user dot get display name. Now let's store the user data, user name and user image, and the next thing remain same. So let's run this application and so let's sign out, and we are not going to use the traditional way. Click on Facebook authentication here, click on it, and it will redirect to Facebook. And as you can see that our application name is here, application sorry, authentication will receive your name and profile picture and email address. Perfect. And click on continue as your name, whichever Facebook, and it says that an account already exists. As let me show you the thing. Here it's the email ID, and same email ID is used for my Facebook, so that's why it is not working. So let's um, delete this, and also deleting the database, as the same thing is there also. Let's delete this collection here. Okay, let's try again. Click on Facebook authentication, and that's it. What? Facebook authentication cancel? Why? Let's try again. uh, Something went wrong. Okay, so something going wrong. I don't know why it has happened, but I do some research and find out that we need to log out the login manager first. But I don't know, that's not a right way to do that. But somehow it fixed my problem, and we run this application now. So we run this application here, and now let's click here. Once we click here, it will redirect to Facebook and get the data and log you in to the application. Okay, and also I show you that the data which I get from Facebook here, my name, my email ID, and my image. Let's see this image is working or not. Okay, it also give me error. Okay, let's fix this. For that, let's delete this, otherwise it cannot be replaced. Okay, for that, okay, here we need to do like that. For user info, profile user dot get provided data, and then that string, under that we do like that. This is user ID, which is going to be profile.getuid. Okay, let's see is our app is working or not. Okay, let's sign out. Click on Facebook authentication. It will get the data and store it to our Firebase and log us in the application. Hmm. Okay, the image is downloaded, that's when it's working. The perfect image comes from Facebook. Perfect. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I made the thing which is you guys asked for me as Facebook authentication with Facebook data. So thanks for watching this video. If you guys like this video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and I will meet you in the next video. And in the next part of this video series is the last part, and in that video I will show you how we can get image from our gallery and set it to our profile and set the data to the storage section and get the URL to the user image. And also we create some UI for that, which is show us the data in our application. So guys, thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.